Aye valandzeri va channel ya mina na mamukela eka video yin'wanyani ya eka video yin'wanyani ya ti-video ta mina vito hi mina Brian Swear. If I was a subscriber, so a ni kombela leswaku u subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, hit the notification button also, so that you receive notifications about every video that I post. Yes, please make sure that you subscribe, because I know some people that there's a lot of people who watch the videos but haven't subscribed yet. I know some of you have forgotten or whatever reason, but I just want to thank you so much for your continued support. It really means a lot, and yeah, it's because of you that I keep on doing this. The support has just been so crazy, and I'm really grateful for that. I'm really thankful. Thank you so much. All right. So yeah. You must have seen from the title of the video that today I'm gonna be including your Miss Universe whatnot on my video. So let me tell you what I'm gonna be doing today. So I was watching Miss Universe last week or 2 weeks back, and we all know that the winner of Miss Universe or of Miss Universe 2019 was Zuzibini Tunzi from South Africa, our home girl. And yeah, I'm very proud of her. I really love her. I love it so much. It's just amazing, and that's why I'm doing this video today. You know, she really inspires me a lot, and there's just so much to learn from her. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. Is I took one of her speeches at Miss Universe when she was answering one of, I think it was her last question at Miss Universe, when Steve Harvey asked her a question, and the answer was just like really powerful, and I thought that I should just take that answer and translate it to Xitsonga so that it can reach a much wider audience, you know. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I wrote down his speech, and I wrote the Xitsonga translation also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the speech, both of them very slowly. So I'm going to do the English one, go to Xitsonga. So I'm going to read in English, I read the translation in small portions though, because if I read the whole paragraph, you won't learn anything. So I hope it's gonna help you to learn Xitsonga and empower you at the same time. I believe it's a very powerful message. I'm gonna say a few things after the video, after the lesson, about what I think of, or what the impact that this message has had on my life, in my life, whichever. But yeah, it's a very powerful message, and I'm sure you think the same as well. So let's start with the lesson, because I will say a lot of things and end up taking a lot of time. Okay, so the question that she was asked was, what's the most important thing we should be teaching young girls today? That's a really good question, right? And so I also wrote down the translation of the question. So let me actually start with the question. Let me reread the question slower while reading the translation, so that you can, get what I'm saying. What's the most important nchumu wihi wa nkoka ngopfu we should be teaching young girls today? Sorry. Lowu hi fanele ku dyondzisa vana lavatsongo va vanhwanyana namuntlha. So don't worry, I'm sure, okay, because I'm going to write everything in Xitsonga, so that you follow with me as I'm reading here. So now I'm getting to her answer. It's a paragraph long, just about 5 lines. It's not that long, I promise. It's not that long. So I'm reading her answer now. So I'm going to read in English, and I'm going to read the translation of that. So please follow very attentively. Make sure that you go with me. Let's go together. Let me teach you. Okay, so this is her answer. Leadership. Vurhangeri. It's something that's been lacking in nchumu lowu a wu nga ri kona in young girls and women, eka vanhwanyana lavatsongo na vavasati for a very long time, nkarhi wo leha, right? Not because we don't want to, hayi ku ri a hi swi lavi kambe, but because of what society has labeled women to be. Kambe hi mhaka ya leswi tiko ri vonisaka vavasati or vaxisati xiswona, I think we are the most powerful. Ndzi hleketa leswaku vavasati i swirho swin'wana swa matimba laha misaveni on the world, and that we should be given every opportunity.
She says she really grew up poor like me. Don't believe in nothing but the Almighty. Just a little jeans and a pure whitey. She never dreamed forever be nobody wifey. Yeah, she wanna mean pretty but your heart is a me. Now you like
nakona hi fanele hi nyikiwa the opportunity. I didn't know how to translate opportunity. Hi fanele hi nyikiwa the opportunity, nakona sweswo hi leswi hi faneleke hi dyondzisa vanhwanyana lavatsongo. And that's what we should be teaching young girls, to take up space. Nothing is as important as this. Sorry, I was looking at something. So I'm gonna start where it says to take up space, and this was like the highlight of the speech for me. It was very powerful. Ku teketela tindhawu ku hava swa nkoka ku tlula leswi. Ku teketela tindhawu, and that's the best way I could translate taking up space in Xitsonga. And yeah, that's the message, that's the speech, that was her answer. That was powerful, that was profound. It was shoo. I shared it like so many times on my social media platforms, on my like different things, and it's something that I'm carrying with me through to 2020, because it's very important. It's very important. It's very important that the marginalized. Oh my gosh. I know this is a Tsonga lesson video, but let me just say this. I think it's very important for the marginalized to take up space, for the unseen to take up space so that they can be seen, so that they can be seen, so that they expose themselves, and be seen by the world. It's something that we thought it was very important for us to do, like as the Tsonga community at the University of Pretoria, is that by starting a society and doing more things, in that way we'll be able to we'll be very exposed to the environment, and the main reason we had to take up this space was because there were so many stereotypes surrounding Tsonga people. Tsonga people, one of the marginalized and the most looked down upon tribes in the country, so we thought that let's be visible, let's be visible, let's be seen, let's make sure that people see us, and in that way, we will get rid of these stereotypes that people have about us, because when now we expose ourselves, people are going to know who we really are, and that will automatically delete the stereotypes, so take up space. That's very important. That's what I'm taking with me through to 2020. It's something that I would say, the LGBTQI community should do. Black people should do more of that. Women should do more of that, and anyone from any community that's marginalized or looked down upon, so thank you so much, guys. Please, I would really love it if you share this with your friends, subscribe, tell them to subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed it.
For anybody else singing.